Welcome to SDC-Tech channel. My name is Casteeve and I'm glad that today you decide to join me here. If today is your first day, please do not just pass, subscribe, like it. This will encourage us to always keep doing what we do best. Now, one thing I want to tell you is this one. This channel, we do the research, and today we are here to bring you another technology in the market. This is going to help you a lot, especially family, mothers, parents. This is going to help you a lot. I have this box here. This box is the technology we are going to talk about. This is Deerma vacuum, UV vacuum. What this does is that it cleans your bed sheets, your pillows out of mites and little ants as well as dust. I hope by the end of this video you will run and go for one so that you will live healthy. Now this time we don't even leave our rooms, therefore it is always good to clean our rooms. And today, if you have been having problems with your baby, rashes and the rest, this technology here we're going to introduce to you is going to help you. This is the technology we are all waiting for today. And I'm glad. Please remember to subscribe and to like it for us. This will motivate us to go ahead. Now, this technology, as you see here, it's a vacuum cleaner, and not just any vacuum cleaner. This is UV vacuum cleaner. Dust and mites, your bed, your bed sheets, your pillows, everything, your sofa, everything is going to be clean with this device. So we have our manual, we have a little brush for us to clean it, and if you go down you'll see that it is really nice. I'm going to show you in a few minutes. This is a roller that allows you, when you are using this one, it doesn't really get stuck with your material. And here it's the same thing. We have rollers. This helps when you're going back and forth. It helps a lot. I am going to show you. We have a button on top here, and you will see that your monitor indicator is also on. So let me show you how it works. Okay, now we're here. Thank you for sticking with me. Now let's see if it did what it says it does or not. Okay, let's turn it the other way around. Okay, now I'm going to press these sides and I will lift it up. Whoa, this is what we have. This is nice. Yes, now you can see the dust, little dust, and I'm sure, whoa, this, it's interesting. Yes, it does what it is. This is how we can clear and clean our bed sheets, our pillows, and our sofas. Now, if you're a parent here, please go down to my channel description. I will leave a link there for you to buy. This, it's a very good thing. When I discovered this one, I was really amazed because, yeah, it helps every family, household. You should get one. And it's not just only for you. Most importantly, your children. If you don't have any children in your house, buy one and gift it to a family who needs it. Thank you so much. This is very short one. This is Casteeve from SDC-Tech. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another awesome technology. See you. Bye-bye.